So here we have the BMW X1 on a 60 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. We've also got the 3 seats you can fold down individually to increase this space even further should you wish to do that. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the right-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. And then in the centre, firstly, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 67,275. Also, within that section, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's automatic, so we, of course, are in park at the moment. You can change information displayed in that section by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls and phone controls available on here, and the stereo itself is down in the centre. You can see we got the main menu. From up here, you can pair your phone. We can access the onboard computer, we can configure things, so for example you could change miles to kilometres if you wish to, and various other things as you can see, like the time for example. If you press the audio button, this is where you can access your AM and FM radio, the CD player and the auxiliary input for the car as well. You can see the CD player just here, and we have the volume for the stereo next to that. We then have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here, and then when you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on, so that turns it back off or on again. Or hit auto. The car will then maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. You can override that whenever you wish to by making any manual adjustment, as you've just seen me do. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 3 settings, and the same for the passenger side. Underneath that, you can turn the parking sensors on and off, the traction control on and off, and the downhill brake control, should you wish to take the car off-road, with a 12-volt charging socket and your auxiliary input, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.